Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to order on AliExpress. So ordering from AliExpress is pretty simple. First you have to create your account or log into your already existing account if you have one. Then browse AliExpress application to find the product that you want to order. You can simply explore your homepage or go to the searching bar at the top of your screen to search for specific product that you're into. So let's search for some product. And okay, so let's tap item that you're interested in. And first of all, you have to check seller's ratings. So let's go to name of the store. I tap it, and at the top of your screen you should see percentage of the positive feedback, and you always want to aim for at least 95%. Okay, so let's go back to this item, and first of all you have to check photos of the item, then look through description section. So here are product details and also its specifications, some notes from the seller, and also very important part is to check reviews to that item. So go to reviews section. I don't see here reviews section, that's strange, so let's change item. So yeah, here is the review section, and you have to pay attention to those reviews that come with photos because they can expose real quality of the item. Finally, you can select your color, you can select your size, and you can set your quantity that you want to order and press add to cart button, or you can select buy now to proceed to order confirmation page. So here you can select your delivery service, you can select delivery to an existing address, or you can select pickup points. Then you have to set your delivery address. So here you can add new address, you can edit your already existing one, or you can completely delete it. So yes, make sure that your delivery address is correct. Then set your payment method. So here are many options to choose from. Tap confirm, and here also you can see summary section where you can see total value that you have to pay. Also you can apply some promo codes if you have one. And finally, when everything looks fine, you can press pay now button to make an order. And after payment you can track your item in the section my orders until you've got your item. And if you have some issues with your item, with your order, you can open a dispute to get a refund for that item, or basically a replacement. So that's it. As I said, ordering from AliExpress is pretty simple. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.